When we talk about powerful human instincts, the sex drive often comes to mind. It's biologically built into us for the continuation of the species. It influences attraction, behavior, even creativity. But what if you are told that there is a drive even stronger than sex, one that overrides it completely when activated? That drive is hunger. The question now is, what makes hunger so powerful? Hunger is not just about cravings or the urge to eat. It is a biological alarm system tied directly to survival. When the body lacks food, it triggers powerful signals in the brain, commanding attention and action. These signals become so strong that they can drown out every other motivation, including the desire for sex. Inside the brain, both hunger and sex are regulated by the hypothalamus. However, when you are hungry, special neurons called AGRP neurons become active. These neurons don't just make you feel hungry, they override other behaviors. Experiments show that when AGRP neurons are firing, animals ignore danger, avoid socializing, and even lose interest in mating. That is right, when hunger takes hold, even reproduction becomes less important. In the famous Minnesota Starvation Experiment 1944-45, healthy young men were placed on a semi-starvation diet for several months. The results were striking, their libido completely disappeared. They became obsessed with food, talking about it, dreaming about it, and even hoarding recipes. All interest in romantic or sexual behavior vanished. This experiment proved that when the body is starved, the sex drive shuts down to conserve energy. The body's only focus becomes finding food. Also, in laboratory studies, hungry mice were placed in environments where they had to choose between crossing a dangerous area to find food, or mating with a nearby receptive female. The mice chose to risk danger for food and completely ignored mating opportunities. While the sex drive is powerful, especially in shaping human behavior, hunger is stronger. It's nature's way of prioritizing life itself. After all, reproduction only matters if you are alive long enough to pass on your genes. So the next time you are wondering what truly drives human behavior, remember this: the need to eat can silence even the loudest biological impulses. Hunger is the body's way of saying, survive now, everything else can wait.